Hello! Today is the first Monday that we are home instead of at school due to the coronavirus precautions. So I'm utilizing this time at home to do some of the spring chores to get us ready for spring and summer. I hope everyone is feeling safe and we can take advantage of this time to get some other things done. Don't forget to spend some time outside no matter what. It's a good opportunity to breathe some fresh air. So right now I'm going to show you what the chicken coop and duck run look like because they are gross coming out of winter where everything is freeze thaw. It's pretty yucky. Then I'll do a second video that shows what I've changed and how I've cleaned it up and gotten everything replaced and ready for spring and summer. Alright, here we go. So these are the compost bins where the chickens especially spend a lot of time. This is the current one we are filling, and then this is the one from last year that's ready to go into the gardens. The hose is usable now, which is exciting. The coop is just really gross. I built it so that this wall here is pretty easy to take off. So I just kind of move the fence out, take the chicken wire and wire mesh off, lift the wall away, and easily can clean that area out. Inside the chicken coop is yuck and dark. So it's just, yucky poo everywhere, and all of these nest boxes need to be just cleaned out and changed. The ducks have a nice nest going in here, but I'll take that out and replace it with clean hay. And then inside of the duck run here, hi guys, hi, we have their pool that could actually be filled up. The ground is just really high with layers and layers of hay from layer composting. There's actually ice on their water today, but at least it's warm enough outside that they can crack it with their beaks and get access to water. We just need to get all of this out of here so that we can start fresh with a nice clean ground. And the little nest box out here, they've also been laying nicely in, can you see that? Inside of this area, which I will also replace the hay but keep it nice and nesty for them. Hello, Inky. Alright, we'll be back when it looks nicer.